Hi, I recently ordered some table tennis equipment from Custom Table Tennis, which I'm going to share with you all today. So this is a box which I have received. Before unboxing it, let me tell you what I have ordered. I have ordered a free bat makeup from Custom Table Tennis with the rubbers and the blade, which have been specified by me. I have done order from Custom Tennis before as well. This time I've ordered a flared table tennis bat, which is having the blade from premium Hinoki Series. The rubbers which I've ordered, one is Xiom Vega Korea table tennis rubber, blue in color, which is my personal favorite. And then I've ordered a Xiom Vega Pro Hybrid Series black rubber. And along with that, I've ordered a few more table tennis equipment. One rubber table tennis rubber roller and a ball holder, along with table tennis bat protector. So let me show you what I've ordered. Last time when I ordered from Custom Table Tennis, I ordered rubbers, and I did glue the rubber on my table tennis bat on my own. This time I thought, let's choose their expert service on this matter. So you can see this is the pattern for the table tennis bat. Before I can show you this thing. This is the table tennis ball holder, but it also acts as a rubber roller when you glue the rubber on your own, so you can roll it while doing the rubber. This is very handy, which I didn't have initially when I glued my rubber before. So you can see these are the covers of the rubber, the holder of the rubber. The rubber is already glued on the bat. So this is the Xiom Vega Korea rubber, and this is the Xiom Vega China Hybrid Pro rubber. So I will now show you the bat itself. So here comes the bat. Normally we have seen rubbers red and black. This time I've chosen blue, but as per the norm, if I have a blue rubber, on the other hand side I have to have a black rubber. That's the norm. So this is the Xiom Vega Korea, this is the Xiom Vega Hybrid Pro rubber. I'm planning to use this as my forehand and this as my backhand. And you can see here, this is premium Hinoki Series blade, as mentioned. And this is from where I have ordered the table tennis equipment, which is a custom table tennis. So yeah, quite excited to play with the bat. Let's see how it performs. I have used Xiom Vega rubber before for my backhand, and I've used Paleo Legend 3.0 bat along with this rubber for my forehand. I'm expecting that this will be a level up from that table tennis bat. I would like to show you this thing. This is normally how here. Xiom Vega Korea, this rubber comes in the max portion. So there are 3 different levels of thickness of rubber: 1.88, 2.0 mm, and max, which is probably 2.2 mm. So Xiom Vega, normally when you choose a rubber, you can choose the thickness level. Normally we go with 2.0 mm thickness for intermediate, but Xiom Vega Korea comes by default with max. And because I ordered the blade and the rubber from custom companies, so they provide free bat makeup service. But normally I think it costs around £5 or £10, which is mentioned on the website. Because I ordered both the rubbers and the blade from the website, so they have made the bat for me free. And the rubber holder, the ball holder which I showed you, it costed me around £10. And then there was a table tennis protector, bat protector, I think somewhere here. Yeah, table tennis, basically not by rubber protector. It costed me, £2.49. The delivery service of custom table tennis is quite fast. I think they delivered me in 2 working days. It's delivered by Royal Mail in the UK, and if you are ordering more than probably 80-90 hours, the delivery is free. So for me, the delivery is free and it was quite fast. So let me tell you something more about the rubber. Why did I choose them? So Xiom Vega Korea rubber is they have the rubbers in red, black or blue, I think, and I chose the blue because I like the color and it is quite unique, because normally most of the rubbers are either red or black. And the reason I chose this rubber particularly because it offers a lot of spin. Now obviously I will get to know when I play with it, but yeah, they have specified many things here on the back of the rubber cover, but overall it offers a lot of spin. So that's why I chose this rubber. It has got nice speed and nice control. But the uniqueness is around the spin. This rubber, which is Xiom China Hybrid Pro, this is quite a new rubber, which I can understand, because previously Xiom never had these hybrid rubbers. Now they have come up with this. They had Xiom Pro rubber, which was quite a long time back, and it was a good rubber, but that was quite fast and not so much spinny. This rubber has got a little bit of tackiness on here, or stickiness, which actually helps to create a lot of spin. So, and it is a bit faster compared to Xiom Vega Korea rubber. So that's why I'm thinking to use it as for my forehand, and this one more about control. So it goes more with the backhand. So yeah, I will get to know more when I actually play with this. Yeah, hopefully it turns out to be the one which I'm looking for. Thank you. Yeah, the bat feels really good in my hand. Well balanced. And it has got a nice feeling. So you can see here the different specifications of this rubber. So this is the kind of model number, and you can see it's 79-076, which tells that this is quite a new rubber. That is the model number of Xiom Vega Korea rubber. And the different technologies which are there here, which is mentioned. Xiom Vega Korea, saying if you look into here, Xiom Vega Hybrid Pro is here. Xiom Vega label, and you can see center name 078. So this is a bit more newer compared to the Vega Korea. So and as I was saying, that these hybrid rubbers are some kind of new things which Xiom have introduced. They say that on the website is kind of artificial intelligence based rubber makeup, because it's a kind of improved or a Chinese version of Xiom Vega Pro rubber, which offers more stickiness, more spin. So let's see, looks good. Bit of tackiness is here. It attracts bit of dust because due to this tackiness. So I need to ensure I keep on cleaning my rubber and make sure the rubber, the lifeline rubber is good. Well, you can see the label here, custom maintenance, very well designed, well made up, very well prepared bat it is. The edges are cut quite nicely, quite professional, at least much better than what I did at my home on my own. Yeah, I'm quite impressed with the bat makeup service which they have offered. I'm really happy, and definitely I will look forward to more such bats and custom tenders in future. Thank you so much for watching the whole vlog. Hope you have enjoyed it. We will be back soon with some more exciting experience. Please keep watching the space. You can click on the thumbnails visible on the screen to watch our previous experiences. Please don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Till then, please stay fit and healthy. We will meet soon again. Bye.